But also, I'm doing it, and this thing looks honestly
dude,
way better.
this is insane.
Dude, careful here.
Yeah.
Oh, dude, it's gonna fall. Dude,
Yeah.
it's going.
I know. We are right up on its butt. This thing is gonna do it. This thing is gonna do it for sure.
Oh man, it's so close.
Oh, on the ground. It's on the ground, right in front of us.
It's on the ground.
It's on the ground. Wow. Wow. Oh, wow. Yeah, manly.
Did I see? Oh, dude, I don't think it's showing up very well on my camera.
Oh my gosh. Oh my.
Oh no,
gosh.
it is. It is.
Wow.
Dude, we can get close to it, dude.
Steak tonight, baby.
Dude, we can get close to it.
Dude,
okay, but dude, the circulation is very large.
I know.
So, oh, camera is too hot. Powering off. No!
Well, my SLR's got it.
Dude, we don't need radar anyways. Go, wait, dude, don't get too close, man.
Yep, I know. This, oh man, this RFD. Holy cow. This is going to be big, Johnny. Look at that. That whole thing is going to fill in. This is going to be a wedge.
Dude, look at that.
See that? It's already that wide.
Dude,
I've never seen anything this big before.
Dude,
we're right up on it.
We are right up on it. Honestly, dude, we're on the edge of the circulation here. We should be careful.
Yeah, we are.
Dude, look at how big that is.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh.
Dude.
Wow.
I'm gonna...
I've never seen anything this big. Wow.
Dude.
Hey, Johnny, can I have you do me a favor?
Yeah.
Pull out my SLR and record on that, please.
Okay.
It's going to be able to get a little tighter. Okay, it's cleared us now, I would say. So we are going to need to blast east. Yep.
I need to take this thing off.
You have to push the one button down and pull the other lever. It's a pain. Wow, Johnny. Oh, you can see it. It's condensed. Holy crap. Oh my gosh. It's fully condensed. It's down there. We have a terrible viewing angle, but if we get north of it, wow. Oh my gosh. My voice is cracking like a little kid. Oh my. Oh my.
Oh shoot.
Oh my gosh.
Oh shoot.
Johnny. Oh, we need to get my DSLR. Oh. Johnny, abandon that, please.
No.
Get my SLR. Do we want to follow it on this road or keep going north? Keep going north, I think.
Is
this paved?
No, dude. No. Yes, this is paved. Take this one. Dude, that is huge.
Yes, it is.
I don't know how to use your camera. Dude, just blast east, and then we need to get over. Then we should get over.
Holy shoot.
Dude, that is humongous. Wedge.
Dusty.
Woo! Dude, and I could actually say wedge unironically.
It's almost a wedge. Wow.
Oh my god.
It's out there in the field, like less than a mile. Ghost train here.
Okay, here.
Oh, dude, someone's got a pod.
Oh, dude.
Oh, look at that. Wow. Oh my word.
We can get up pretty close to it.
Yes,
honestly.
we can. This is incredible, Johnny.
Dude,
this is better than Sycamore.
Oh, absolutely, dude. This is the most amazing
This
thing.
This is really strong.
Dude, let's not get too close though, guys.
Yeah, I know. Okay, let's just keep our eyes peeled for other circulations. It's going to cross the road literally right in front of us, Johnny. Please try to get that camera. Oh,
I don't know how to work this.
You need to get it off the
I don't know
tripod.
how to get it off.
Okay, you need to push.
I'm a little flustered, I'll be honest.
Yeah. Okay. You need to push down and pull on the black lever. It's really annoying.
Oh, I can smell it.
Yep. It's because I have a window open.
Okay, sorry. Man, it's the first time I've seen something like this, so...
Yeah, that's fine, Johnny. Forget about it. Why is this guy blocking the road? Are you kidding me?
Just honk at him when you get to it.
There he goes.
It's not showing up anything on your camera.
That's because you need to increase one of these guys.
Here,
I think
you really should just pull over.
Yeah.
Get over these trees. And now my GoPro.
It's getting rain wrapped a little bit. Oh, dude, this guy just slid like crazy.
Okay,
Yeah, I should have pulled over there. There's no one else on this road, Johnny. I can't believe no one else is following us. Oh, there it is again. Oh my word, we're getting literally blown off the road by the RFD.
I have no idea where my phone went. You think it maybe fell out of the car?
I hope not. When would it have?
I don't know.
You can call it.
Where's your phone? I don't know if I have it on.
Hey, extreme alert.
I know my phone. I know my phone.
Okay, I'm calling it. It's ringing. Johnny? You hear it?
I don't hear it. I have no idea what it is.
It's probably under the seat. Just don't want to get T-boned. It's still on the ground.
Oh, man.
Here's the RP again.
That really... for future reference, I need to know how to use these.
Yeah. It's on the road in front of us.
It's gonna... I think it's gonna die pretty soon.
Yeah, I do too. But we need to look for the other circulations, so you need to find your phone.
I don't know where it is.
Hey! Well, I called it.
Well,
Here.
it's probably on silent if I have it.
It's still really big.
Gas line broken.
Yeah.
House. House down.
Oh. Yeah, it's a barn. Okay, I'm just looking for power lines here. This is a wide tornado. Wow, it uprooted a tree.
Wow, it did.
Okay,
Wow.
These lines are still up as best I can see.
Is that hail?
No.
And it keeps dying on me.
Debris falling.
Dude, you can see the vortices.
Yeah, it's still on the ground. Is that getting it in at all? I sure hope so. Yeah, it's still spinning, but more debris falling on us here. Little bits of leaves.
I honestly think it dropped out of the car, dude.
Really?
Yeah, dude, I don't know where it is. Where else could it be?
Under your seats or on the side of the seat.
It's not there.
We're also I found it. It's right next to me.
Thank you. I was so worried about
Okay,
that.
get your radar
Sorry.
going. I need to see if the storm is cycling again. Wow, it's still going there. It might condense again, Johnny.
I don't. Oh, I have signal.
See little vortices.
Oh yeah, no, it might. We need to get a northwest up or a east-west option. Okay, there's going to be a east-west option up here. We're going to take it.
Rain curtains.
My radar hasn't loaded yet.
Wow. Okay. Oh no. Took out those trees.
Oh no. Okay, we can't take this road. Go straight. It is not cycling. That is the tornado.
Yeah. We're right up on it here. We are south of it, so we are in the clear. But we have rain curtains there. I just wish I had better footage. Johnny, why don't you lower the resolution on that and then it won't get so dang hot.
Okay.
Lower it to like 2K or something. We're so close, 2K is fine. It's getting rain wrapped. Still on the ground. Is this Johnny, you want to cut east here?
It's gonna be rain wrapped, dude. We're in the middle.
Yeah, we need to blast east, don't we, to get into the notch?
Yeah. Actually, no, there is no notch. It's being filled in with rain.
Okay. Should we go straight then, or
No. I would go east. Yes,
Oh man,
if possible.
I'm going to. Is there monster hail in there?
It might be. Actually, I don't know about that. Actually, I don't know about going this way. Yeah, stop.